Hi friends, today we are showing you the Victure AC700 sports camera. So it have all these features, 16 megapixel camera, and this is the box. I'm just unboxing. So it comes with the manual. The manual is very descriptive. It is in English, so pretty easy to understand and read. Warranty card and everything else. So this is actually the main camera. You can see it is in a protective case. We will open the case later on and I show you all the details. Right now I will just show you what is in the package first. This is the accessory box that's come with this camera. So an extra screen for the case, a remote control. I will show its demo later on. This is the microphone external that you can put it in the camera and then you can use it for recording. These are different parts of the accessories I will show you in the manual. There are two additional batteries, or I will say only two batteries, one for the main camera and one is additional battery. All these accessories I can explain or I can show you in the manual. The data cable is micro USB, and then a whole load bunch of the accessories. That is pretty much common with the sports camera. The elastic bands or the different type of bands, hooks for the bike, for the backpack, or like different way. This is like for a trip out. Cleaning cloth, and now it comes with the camera. So this is all with the accessory and the box. So the unboxing is done. I'm just putting all the accessories here and then I'm showing you the camera in details. So as I said in the accessories, here's the package content. You can see there's a waterproof case, dust proof cover, USB cable, the two batteries, and like the frame, mount, long thumb screw, short thumb screw, exterior mount, adhesive pads, flat adhesive pads, release buckles, insurance. So there's a lot of things. If I try to explain everything and I try to show, the video length will really be increased. I want to keep it really short. And there's a microphone, remote control, bandages and adapter too. So these are the accessories as I showed you. This is the camera, like how it will be explained. So I will just show you the camera right now. To open, you just click it and the cover will open. So there is a little small switch, or you can say like a little trigger. So once the camera is out, this is the actual camera. This is a 4K Wi-Fi, and then here are all the connectors. To put in the battery, you have to lower it and then take out the flap. So I'm just taking out this flap and I will put a battery inside. So here is the battery, and then I'm just putting it inside in the camera. So you have to just be cautious about the connectors. The connector should go down, and once the battery is in, you have to just put back the cover and the camera is ready to go. I'm just trying to put a cover because this is a little delicate. I don't want to break it. So yeah, once this is in, and there is a start on off button. Keep pressing the button, and once you press for 1 or 2 seconds, the camera will be on. So here is the screen, and you can see the camera start working. So the Wi-Fi, the memory card, and all these features are here. So right now there is no memory card in it, and then I will put a memory card. So here's the memory card slot. I am putting one memory card right now so that I can show it to you. So here is in, there's that tick in, and the same the memory card is in. So once it says the memory card is on, and then here we go. So you press the up button, you can see the red recording button is on, the timing going on. You press one more time, and then the video is good. The same thing with that the image that you can record, and this is for the external microphone that I said. So here the quality of all the accessories are good, so I don't have any complaint with that. So here's actually the data cable I'm showing you right now. So the data cable will go, you can charge the camera or the battery with this, and you can also use it for the data transfer. I will show that part later on. So here is the microphone. You just add it in here, and then this will act as an external microphone, that like if you are recording an interview or you have to record your voice, you can do it like that. As I said, accessories quality is pretty good, and if I try to explain all the accessories, it will really take a lot of time. And just remember to remove all the protective layer from the camera lens, and then from the screen and the back screen, because if you do not on it, then you are not getting the good quality images and videos. So here is the demo for the microphone. It works really well, and I'm just trying to put that back in the case so that I can show it to you, removing all the protective layers from it so that we can see how it looks like. The buttons pretty well work, because these are like black button for on and off, and then there is a little like all the other buttons. The thing I see, because this is the waterproof or dustproof case, here you cannot put the data cable or the charging cable when the camera is inside the case. So here it is all locked, so you have to take the camera out to get it charged for the data transfer, to put your external microphone or anything else. Now I will show you the remote. So with the remote, it's really good, auto connected, and then if you press the image button, see the image is done, and if you put the video button, the video start on and off, so it start recording. So if your camera is a little distance and you want to record that, it's pretty good feature of the camera. I like this feature. The remote is pretty good, nice, small, and pretty handy to use. So the next I'm showing you the data cable. I'm just putting this data cable. It shows me 3 options for the charging, for data transfer, and as a micro SD slot. So I'm just using the data transfer, and I can see all the folders on my